secondary school. That was a massive 4-storey. I'm behind you. I do want to mess with it so I know what's going on.
Yeah.
I haven't ridden in enduro. I've always been in dynamic or road, but I don't like road. I much prefer dynamic. On the new one, they do road enduro. There's only 4 modes, I think, and then you've got to get a strap on, an extra, to get fucking dynamic and dynamic pro and enduro pro. So I think that, you know, the basic price of the new GS, I think it's around 15 and a half. But I bet that's the road I was talking about. But I reckon you're going to have to add on so many fucking bits that you want. It's going to whack it right up. So you may as well go for the TE with everything that comes with it. Yeah, this is TE. About 19 and a half. Yeah, but I'm in dynamic. Whoa.
It wasn't this bad the last time I came along here.
Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be. Oh, this is.
Oh, fucking hell. Big one there. Stay tight on that corner. Fucking hell.
I don't think I should be in dynamic.
This was all flat the last time I came up again. It wasn't full of these ruts. Turn your traction control down.
I'll have to try and put it in Duro. See what that happens. Wow. Ooh. I'm stuck.
Give it too much needs, just tractor it out. Oh, you haven't got low tyres either, have you?
No. Hang on. I'll get there. Oh, sunk.
Just roll backwards. Go back down.
Yeah. Fucking hell.
This was all just flat gravel the last time I drove down it. Big washed out, like rain.
This is where nobody's coming. Really?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Stopping it.
Get you.
Right on my face.
Sorry. Is it the front that's stuck?
Well, you're almost bottoming out there. You might have to slam your ass onto the seat to make it quick, you know?
Right. Whoa.
One way then. Got all these.
Fucking hell.
Let's make sure nothing's snapped away the day you're fine.
Well, I didn't come off, I didn't come
You didn't hear me saying keep tight on the curb. I flew around there, I just saw that, I fucking hell.
Fucking hell. I was trying to come to the right hand side and I kept drifting to the fucking left.
I wasn't expecting it to be like this up here, I thought it was going to be easy. This is a public road, eh? I stood all the cars going down from there. The finish is just up the top of it. Keep right here. Keep right, keep right.
Yeah, look at that, it wants to go left all the time.
Keep left here, I think.
Why do I want to go left all the time?
Keep a little bit of speed up and then on bud ahead. Keep left.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Look, there's the road and name of the road there.
Right, this...
We need to go to Devil's Hole, don't we? This is the thing with Marlin trains, is you never know what's going to be around the next corner.
Yeah, look at that, tell me about it. That's good experience.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, I don't think nobody is road, death road. Oh, fucking bastard. I'll be doing it again.
We'll take this guy.
Well, we got out of the problem, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
I need to change the battery, it's not fucking charging, pissing me off.
That's the devil's hole in it, yeah.
Devil holds right.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. I'll tell him right here somewhere. I don't normally come up that way.
Go up here,
Yeah.
turn right.
Yeah, right again, yeah.
Oh, he's got his windows in.
Yeah.
How many years is that?
A long time. It's the road. My battery's getting low now.
What, of your Senna?
Yeah.
Oh. You're going to have to do what I do. Hook it up to a battery bank.
No, not this one. I think it's just here actually. There we go. It's where these
Right.
bridge things are.
We'll just stop. I want to change the battery of the GoPro because I don't want to miss this.
I'll have a smoke anyhow.
Yeah.
Easier to just lean the fucking bike. Oh. That's the other nuisance when you're doing this off-roading. You can't always get your stand down, you know?
I know. Yeah.
I'll just turn this.
Right. You on? Yeah, I'm on.
Okay.
I'm on.
Go ahead then.
Yep. Ooh, fucking hell.
Don't go too slow, just bounce around, you know?
Yeah.
Second gear. Last one.
When we do the course, at least I'll be on a lighter one.
Yeah. I got fuel just now and I didn't fill it up.
Oh, well, I put too much in, to be honest. That's why I was late. I forgot I had to go.
Fucking hell, believe it or not, I normally we drive down here.
Oh wow.
Maybe overgrown, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe we should turn around here.
Yeah. I don't want to push it. You stuck?
No, I just can't push it back. Hold on, I'll just have to get off and do it. It's better to always just fucking take your time and not fall off, you know? Yeah, I do a U-turn there, really. Embarrassing.
You went down a rut, that's why.
See, if I was coming out here to do the pass, I'd get out and strip that and then drive down there, you know? They've obviously put gravel down here because it never used to be like this.
Right.
Oh, it's not my foot off there. That's why I keep all the pigs.
Hey.
Looking ahead.
Sounds.
Only easy stuff, but it's good for us.
Yeah, yeah.
See, the problem I have is I get all tensed up when I do that.
Well, I do as well. I'm not, you know, fucking
That's
hell.
the thing you have to work on, it's just relaxing.
Yeah, yeah. But that's what we're doing this for.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, sometimes I'd prefer doing this than fucking.
Yeah.
Right then, so you off now or?
We'll do some more next week or something, eh?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So I'm getting hungry now, I haven't eaten anything.
Yeah, no worries. Right, well, thanks a lot, eh?
Yeah.
Well, right. Well, I'm gonna head to Gorey, then I'm gonna go and get something to eat down Gorey. I'm gonna go to that. What's that? Rona's fucking.
Oh, I'll come there with you if you like.
Right.
I need to get something to eat as well. You lead the way for a change. Past.
Went to neutral again. Fucking hell. Is this two-way?
Yeah.